Satisfied customers have reported for years that Shakeology has helped them lose weight, lower their cholesterol, lower their blood sugar levels, and keep them full. Our R&D team has been revising and improving the Shakeology formula since its launch, so it made sense to test these claims with an independent clinical study. The question: how effective is Shakeology? This study was administered by Medicus Research, one of the nation's leading organizations specializing in clinical trials for natural health products, under the direction of Medicus Research founder and CEO, Dr. Jay Udani.
We selected 50 individuals, and they went through a rigorous selection process. At the initial visit, we drew their blood, we looked at certain parameters. What was their weight, what was their BMI, what was their current diet. After the screening process, we have what we call our day zero or baseline visit. From that point forward, they're coming back at 30-day intervals, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days.
All 50 clinical trial participants were required to drink Shakeology for breakfast and lunch for 90 days. No other diet or exercise changes were required. Participation in the clinical trial was monitored using a proprietary app to track weight and compliance every day.
This is a very valuable study because it isolates the effect of Shakeology, and the results were impressive. Having had the Shakeology shake at breakfast, we found statistically significant reductions in the desire to eat at lunch. Subjects in this study lost nearly 10 pounds on average and up to 24 pounds, which is quite remarkable for a 90-day study. What is also very interesting about the results is that they continue to lose weight throughout the entire study, which shows that the continuous use of Shakeology resulted in the type of weight loss that you would like to see, which is slow and steady. In this study, the average total cholesterol was reduced by 7%, with a maximum up to 50% reduction in total cholesterol. The total reduction brought the average cholesterol below the level at which a doctor would need to recommend a pharmaceutical intervention. In this study, we also looked at blood sugar. Rather than testing a single day's blood sugar, which can vary based on what you ate today or even what you ate yesterday, the hemoglobin A1C looks at your average sugar over 3 months. In this study, we saw the 3-month average blood sugar reduced by 5% and up to 19% in some cases, which of course is very helpful for the body in reducing the risk of diabetes, but also in your everyday sugar metabolism. It is quite impressive for a meal replacement therapy, especially when you have not modified the diet or exercise components, so that the results that we're seeing here are only due to the Shakeology.
So whether you want to lose weight, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar levels, or just get healthy, you can now feel confident knowing that drinking Shakeology has been clinically proven to help you reach your goals. Shakeology, the healthiest meal of the day.